I personally value getting out in the outdoors, spending time with my family, getting away from the hustle and bustle of everything. And, we'd like to help other people to be able to do that as well. Hi, my name's Joseph. I own Weaver's Small Engine Repair in Delta, Colorado. Snowdog is a utility task machine that's designed to carry heavy loads over long distances on snow, ice, fields, marshes, and wild terrain. It's a radically different alternative to the snowmobile that's affordable, it's compact, it's highly versatile, and it helps hunters, fishermen, campers, guides, anybody who likes the outdoors to get out and go further. Another thing I like about the Snowdog is it's not a real high power like the snowmobiles. It's got good pulling power, but it's a lot safer. It's nice for my older teen kids to be able to run it and be part of that. If we go ice fishing, we can load our gear up in the Snowdog, whereas otherwise we'd have to spend quite a bit of time towing that heavy sled out there by hand, and just gives us more time to enjoy that rather than all the manual labor. So we just love to get our kids out there in the wilderness and enjoy nature and just get them out there in real life so they can have some real life experiences and just learn how to deal with things. And in the real world, it's so easy to get caught up in things that aren't real. Just love to pass that stuff on to our kids so that they in turn can pass it on to their kids. So I enjoy machines, I enjoy being in the outdoors, and it's great to just be out there in that peaceful setting, and the Snowdog helps me to get out there and be able to do more of that.